Hello, I check all your signal and now I will create a video and show to you how it's work. First of all, this signal with this emoji, I think it's just for orders that's like done when, I don't know, when he take profit or something like this, because most of the message I saw here, it's go without emoji, just a price. You can look here or here or here. It's just go like A and price. Okay, I think we understand this. Okay, we test signal like this. It's market selling, because like sell now, and also we have a price, and it's closer than a current price. We have settings like slippage here, 100 points and 100 pips, sorry, and if it's in this range, the price, like the order will be open like market. Okay, this is good. First order is good. Second, your message. I will close this. It's for the pound, and we see it will like open by pending order, because like current price is higher or lower than in signal, because we have a like entry price here, and we will check the entry price is right, 1.2285. Stop loss is the same, 1.2335 is right, and take profit 22.27, 22.50, 22.30, also good. Sort your message. It's for gold, and we can check the open price, 27.72, right? Take stop loss 27.67, right? And take profit 27.82, also right. Or order open is right price. Okay, what we have also for Euro USD. Also open it like pending order, because we have specific price, 1.0389 is right. Stop loss 1.0329, also right, and take profit 0.0409, 0423, and 0449 also is right. Okay, and this is your message. I think this is message for your screenshot, because like 4th, 5th, and 6th, 4th, 3rd, third picture, 4th picture, and 5th picture is like the same, like we open it. You see, like Euro USD, like all of this. We check it, and we have just two message for check, if it's first here and second. is here. Okay, let's check. If I'm not mistaken, is this for gold. Okay, let's close this. Okay, order it like pending order because we have specific price 27.97. 27.97, all right. Stop loss 27.91, also right. And we check take profit 27.99, 28.01, 28.03, all right. And the last message I think is this. Yes, this is the last message. Let's close these orders and open. Open price 27.76, right. Take profit 27.86, 86, right. And stop loss 27.69. Stop loss 27.69. All right. All is your signals opening good without problem with default settings. Telegram copy.